Can you believe I came all the way from London to work? Yes, here I am watching TV and eating, but I can't come and kill myself in this kind of peace. Hey guys, so I'm actually getting ready for a date tonight. It's a third date with a guy named Silver. So again, I am ready. Makeup is cute, hair is cute, makeup is real cute to be honest. Hey guys, so I'm actually on my way to Surrey. Don't watch the shine. I'll put my sunscreen on. You know, gotta protect the melanin. 10. Yeah, I'm heading to Surrey because I've got a few things to sort out. Hopefully this will have to be one of the last trips I do for a while back to Hampshire. So I'm using Surrey and Hampshire interchangeably. Back to Hampshire. Get my sanitizer and my mask. Just a few things to sort out at the property, and then back to London tonight. So got my visor, outfit of the day, super cash because I will be working, you know, trying to get slim, trimmy, sexy. But yeah, I think you guys kind of like to see videos like this where I'm doing kind of a bit of work to my property. I thought I'd say hi, welcome back, let's go. I was thinking about drawing on eyebrows, but when I draw on eyebrows, all the men just start to, you know, shake. So let me not even do it to them today, you know. Let's not get them excited. But it is hot this week. Oh child, oh, sunglasses. Sunglasses. I've got a second date with the French guy. We're calling him Silver, the Patreon gang now. I've got a date with him tomorrow. Hence why I'm not staying down in Hampshire longer than like just a few hours. I got things to do. I'm a London babe now. Alright guys, let's make moves. So guys, I'm back home and quite a few things to get done. Because I'm not staying the night, I've got to be very like quick with it. I am sweaty glow. It's so hot. I had to like open up all windows because they were shut. It was like a furnace. But yeah, lots to do. Just started by like, I bought some bedding the last time I was down here, but I hadn't unpacked it. I need to go get some new sheets. So basically I need to write a list of all the things that I need to buy now from Wilko. So this, as I said before, will be the Airbnb room. I ordered the self-check-in key box last night. I remembered I should have ordered it before because it's not here yet. I ordered it for next day delivery, but it could come like 8 PM at night, and I really don't want to have to stay here till that late. So, but it is what it is. So I've got to do that. There is a clothing rail just down there that I've got to set up. I'm taking my lighting with me back to London. Like, a lot to do. I'm just doing some laundry now as well, for the sheets that were here before. Also, I think I'm gonna take down these windows and soundproof. I bought them, the soundproof boards, the last time I was here. I just stored them in my car, but I think I'm gonna have to just take them down and soundproof the place with soundproof foam, just so that like smells, I think the board should stop smells coming through, and also sound doesn't come through and bug whoever's staying here. Reviews are very important with Airbnb. So lots to do. Let me put the camera away. I just put a brand new vlog up online. Oh, let me show you guys the salad. So I got the salad from Fred's on my way down here, and it was so good I went and bought it. It's meant to be for dinner, but I'm hungry again, so you know. Chicken, cheese, nuts salad, and it's so good. If anybody knows what actually like the name of the salad is, please let me know, because I plan to live on this. Like, this type of healthy food I can eat any day and every day. So I might have to just go stock up my fridge in London with that. But yeah, I've got to let you guys go because I'm going to get to work. I probably won't film all the stuff I've got to do, but maybe I will, who knows. Guys, I just got back from the store. I got pretty much all the things I needed. and I'm just sitting down to have my lunch, my second lunch of the day, but at least it's healthy. And I'm just about to put Criminal Minds on. Can you believe I came all the way from London to work? Yes, here I am watching TV and eating, but I can't come and kill myself in this kind of heat.
She could have been at home and the paperwork not properly filed.
Yeah, that's what I thought too, and I'm checking.
Excuse the sweaty glow, guys, but I've just taken down the shutters that used to be here. They're just here, and I'm gonna store them in my car for the time being. But what I'm doing now is I've bought these soundproof matte foams, and I'm going to basically stick them on. I bought like a gluey spray, stick them all the way on across the board, and that should hopefully soundproof this wall. That's from far away. If you get a bit closer, like, it doesn't look that great, but the thing is, it's not as thick as I initially thought it was going to be. So I'm actually going to try and put the shutters back on and see if they close, and if they do, perfecto. Guys, I look worse and worse every time I come back, but this heat is mad. But as you can see, my shutters are back up. I didn't expect that. I thought it would just be this ugly thing just there and I'd have to put the shutters in the car, but that's actually worked out really well. The clothes rack is done as well, giving them a bit of storage. I painted the bottom of that corner of the wall as well. So yeah, it's all coming together. Hey gang, so I'm all done here. The only thing that I haven't done is the key lock because it's not arrived from Amazon. So I'm just gonna chill maybe another 2 hours, hopefully it arrives, take out that trash. But yeah, the shutters are done. I got some sheets for the bed, they look really nice. I painted the window as well. What else did I do? I'm not doing my tenant's lock because he's home and it's gonna be too loud, so I have to come back one more time. I got the spare keys done as well. So yeah, quite a lot achieved and accomplished. Just need to hopefully get that key lock and then I'm out. Guys, would you believe that I was sat here waiting for an order that didn't even get placed yesterday, you know? So I thought I placed my order with Amazon, but turns out they needed updated payment cards from me because I cancelled my bank card, which is one of the reasons I even came down here, and yet the bank card still, the new one hadn't arrived. Kiss my teeth. But yeah, anyway, at least I know I didn't waste more time than I had to. Time to head back to London. I'll have to come back next week, but I was gonna have to do that for my housemate's room anyway, so that's not too bad. Gotta hurry and go and catch my train, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Well, not in the next one, in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm actually getting ready for a date tonight. It's a third date with a gang in Silver. The Patreon gang have the original scoop, but I will just tell you guys, like, we actually end up going on 2 dates in 1 day. That's on Patreon. If you've missed it, it's because you're not another Patreon member. So go click the link in my bio and you get the tea. And I actually forgot until this morning when I put like a little caption on a post on Instagram that like my guy Silver actually gave me face masks, you know, on our second date. So he saw my mask and he was like, girl. So he gave me I think about 10 from his stash. So I was just joking this morning that if that's not a sign of a guy really liking you in 2020, giving you his face mask, I don't know what is. But yeah, getting ready for our second date. I've got this cute little dress on. There's a lot of boobage from the side, but I pinned, like I literally pinned this together so there wouldn't be too much boobage, but there's still quite a lot I have to do another pin a bit higher here. Oh, look at me. Mimi? Is it the same Mimi? I'm not sure. Where's this dress from? This dress is from Mango. It's like a cerulean blue, which is kind of like the theme on my Instagram. Where is the light at? It's a theme on my Instagram, and it's just a really cutesy summer dress. I'll show you guys a little bit later on. So he's bringing like, our first date was a date in a park, and he bought Prosecco, glasses, a blanket. So we're basically doing that again, but going to a different park, because your girl needs to learn about London. So picnic in the park, second time, third date, and he's bringing the drinks and the blanket, and I'm bringing the snacks. I haven't even got any snacks, so I have to go and quickly find some. Yeah, it should be fun. So it's Friday. He's been working all week, so I haven't seen him. And yeah, it's been so hot, guys. Here's a little heat hack for you. Freeze a block of water, freeze the ice, create a block of ice water, and then just pop it in front of your fan, especially at night. This will help you sleep. Like, I'm just enjoying breeze. But yeah, I just blow dried my hair, still got to straighten it, and just get cute and whatnot. Just get cute, just get cute. How is he going to say no to all of these? How is he going to say no? He's going to marry me now. He's going to. Guys, I'm on one. But yeah, I'm in a good mood. It's Friday, it's the weekend. I'm going to see a boy I like. Yeah, good vibes. I'm going to have lunch, and I will catch you guys a little bit later on. I'm thinking of taking the camera with me. I'm in two minds. A part of me wants to take it. I'm not going to film him, but like, just see what he's like around the camera if I'm filming myself, because he knows what I do. He knows that I'm a blogger, YouTuber, but like, they all say it's not a problem. They all say, yeah, that's cool, that's interesting, and then later on the line you'll now find out it was not as cool or as interesting as they said it was. So I kind of want to just test that, because it's happened to me in the past and I'm just tired of it. So if you're not comfortable with me being a YouTuber, it's better to know sooner rather than later. But I don't plan to film him, but if I do, it will only be on Patreon. Protect him, protect his identity. It just gives me the freedom to create stuff that I want to create and be more open without you trolls, all of you. See what you have done. So gang, I am ready. Makeup is cute, hair is cute. Makeup is real cute, to be honest. I might soften that a little bit. But yeah, outfit is cute. I'll give you guys like a... Yeah, it's like so feminine and flirty. I like it. I'm just gonna quickly take some pictures on my balcony, and I've packed a little bag. This bag is from Zara. It's like the perfect little beach bag, summer bag. So I've got all the food and the snacks in there. I've got my visor as well, and some body spray because it is hot. But I am ready to go. Hey daddy, you ready, Silver? Mama's coming, mama's coming. Okay guys, so I'm not sure. Should I take you, should I leave you, should I test him or not yet? I don't know. Let me leave you just for today, but I think the next time I go, I may just have to test him and make sure that he's comfortable with the camera. But for today, I'll leave you guys behind. Hey, looking good? Leaving good. Guys, so I just got back from my date with Silver. It's midnight, so I met him around 6. Oh my god, I was gone half the day. So we went to 2 different parks. We had a picnic, then we went back to his place. I went to his place first time on the second date, and again the third date we just watched the movie. We watched Jurassic Park, and yeah, he got me another Uber home again. He said something really cute in the Uber, but whatever. And yeah, I'm at home. I'm gonna take my makeup off, take my dress off, and just let loose. Oh yeah, take the wig off too, but it's stuck down pretty tight. Wow. Okay guys, I had a really good day. He's so lovely, so lovely. I will catch you guys tomorrow. I have a new wig arrived today, which I cannot wait to play with. We're switching it up. Bye.
She say yeah, 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 original bad man.